Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to easy copy and paste method in your MS Excel. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you don't know easy and copy method in your MS Excel, then I will show you here how to do this. Normally what we will do, just we will select the data. If you want to copy from one sheet to another, what we do, just select and copy, and we'll go to the another sheet and we'll paste it here. This was the most common method what we use. So if you want to know the simple and best copy and paste method, so what you have to do, you have to, in top you will see here clipboard. You have to just click on this, select the data what you want to copy, then right click on that, click on copy, select the another data, right click on that and click on copy. How many times you will copy, you will see all this in your clipboard. Right click, copy. So go to the another sheet. Suppose if you want to paste this data, just click on this and your data will be pasted. You can see, if you want this data, you can just click on that and that data will be pasted here. That's it guys. So in this way you can easily copy and paste from one sheet to another in your MS Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.